Hello and welcome back to another episode of Handy Dandy Repairs. I'm Dandy, I think I'm pretty handy, and we're going to try and repair something. Today we are looking at another disc edition PS5, also no power. So first things we're going to do, we're going to verify that issue, and then we'll go from there. So we'll get this plugged in real quick. Nothing. Stone dead again. Okay. Let's quickly get this apart enough to be able to check that. See, the console's quite dirty, so give it a bit of a vacuum as we go. Set that there for just a second. And we'll see if we get 12 volts. And we do not. Another dead power supply. And we're back with our new power supply. In actual fact, it's not a new power supply. We actually repaired this. I'm not going to show you how in this video because, spoiler alert, we repaired this the exact same way we repaired the one from the last video. So if you haven't seen that, I highly suggest going and watching that video. If you have seen that, great. Thanks for watching it. Sorry, this one's a bit more boring. You don't get to see it this time. But yeah, we repaired this one the same way. So clearly a bit of a common fault with them. Maybe that's just, that just happens to be the part that gives out in a power surge or something like that. Whatever the case may be. Either way, we'll get this one reassembled and test everything else. And hopefully it works just like the last one did. Again, spoiler alert. We go watch that video if you haven't already. It would have been the one I posted last week. The one right before this one. So by all means, go ahead and watch that one. So I might actually, I'm going to take this back off because I can't remember if we did the liquid metal on this or not. I don't think we did from memory. And we haven't put the clamp back on. So good thing I didn't finish assembling. Yeah. So we'll just quickly do this liquid metal here. Okay. Now we can continue with the reassembly. Alrighty, let's give it a test. Again, I'm going to have to disable DHCP, so I have to plug it in over here so that it's direct to the monitor. It's a blue light there. Bit hard to tell, but that is blue. Still power on there, so that's a great start. See if we get anything on the screen. Yes, we do. Repairing console storage. Here we go. We do have a logo. It's on. It's working. I'm not going to bore you with disabling DHCP and showing you it. Take my word for it. It's working. So we're going to call it there. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts or anything, leave them in the comments. Like, subscribe, share, hit the bell notification, and we will see you in the next one.